Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to write formula in Excel from UiPath. So in this video I am going to write a formula to get the total salary of employees, and I am going to write that formula in this cell. So usually we write the formula in the cell as is equals to sum of, and I will select all these salaries and hit on enter. So this is the total salary paid by the company to the employees. And if you want to write this formula from UiPath, so go to your UiPath Studio, and first I need to use this Excel application scope activity. So to perform any operation in Excel, we need to use this Excel application scope activity, and I need to give the path of the workbook. So click on this folder icon, and inside document, this is my Excel data. So let me open this, and I will use write cell activity because we are going to write formula in Excel. So I will use this write cell activity, and I need to give the sheet name exactly. So I will just copy this employee details sheet name, Control C, and I will paste it here. Okay, and here we need to provide the range, like in which cell you are going to write the formula. So I am going to write the formula in this cell. It is D18, no, D17. Okay, so I need to provide this D17 within this range. D17. Okay, and now I need to give the formula in this field. So it is within quotations. I'll give the same formula as I given in Excel, is equals to sum of, and I need to give the range. So it is from D2 to D16. So it is going to give the total salary of employees from D2 to D16 in this D17 cell. Okay, so within this parenthesis, D2 is to D16. Okay, so let me run this process. So go to the document, and you can see the total salary paid by the company is 4,44,000. And if you want to get only the first 5 employees salary, you need to give the range from D2 to D6. Okay, so let me show you from UiPath. So I will change this range to D2 to D6. So it will give the first 5 employees salary, total sum of first 5 employees salary. And let me put it in D19. So we are going to get the total first 5 employees salary in this cell, and let me run this process. So go to the Excel document. This is 1,34,000 is the salary paid by the company to the first 5 employees. So, and I'm going to show you how to read that total salary paid by the company in from the UiPath. So let me delete this one, and I will delete this one. So I will use read cell activity, and I will give the sheet name, employee details, and we need to read the data from D19 cell where the total salary of employees exists, and I need to create a variable at the output. So it is going to store the total sum of salaries, and I will name it as total salaries. So now I'm going to change the type of this variable type to double. So click on browse for types, and just type system dot double. So click on this double under this system, under this Microsoft Common Object Runtime Library. So click on OK. Now we need to show this in the output panel. So I will use right line activity, and in this I will just pass the variable name total salary, or I can write some string like total salary paid by the company. Okay, and I will use plus to concatenate the string with the variable, and I will pass the variable name total salaries. So you can see this in the output, and we need to change this to string, so dot to string. So click OK. So now we need total salaries of employees, not for the 5 employees. So I will change this to D16. So this process. So let me open this document. This is total salary, and at the output panel, this is the output. Total salary paid by the company is 4,44,000. So this is how to use this, how to write formula in Excel. It is used to get the total sales of a product in a month, or the mark list of a student. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.